Hello friends, good morning to all. Today we have to see the remaining part of chapter 4. Chapter 4 is classification and types of soil, and today we have to see the topic that is land suitability classification. In the previous lecture we have seen that how the classification has been done in various classes of the soil. So there are 8 classes, and according to that there are subclasses and units. So let us see land suitability classification. So as we know that every land have its own characteristics and properties, and each land is not suitable for every crop. Somewhere there is a cereals, somewhere we can produce fruits, somewhere we can produce cash crops like sugar cane and cotton, somewhere we can produce vegetables, or somewhere we can produce fodder. So that matters, that depends on various factors, and there are various factors which affects on the suitability of the soil. So we have to see which factors required for the suitability. So let us see. First factor is slope. As we know that there is a limitation governed by the slope or maintained by the slope on the agriculture, and that's why slope is important factor which is required for the suitability. And if we uh, if we divided whole earth uh, into the various slopes according to the slope, then there are three major features formed over the earth, that is plains, mountains, plateaus, and plains. And as we know that mountains are so harmful or so unfavorable for the practice of agriculture as compared to the plateaus and plains. But as compared to the mountains, plateaus are familiar, or plateaus are easy to do the practices of agriculture, and as compared to the mountain and plateau, plains are so suitable for the practice of agriculture. And that's why if we look the map of watch or observe the map of world of the agriculture, then we come to know that plain areas are mostly suitable for the practice of agriculture, and that's why land suitability is more in the plain as compared to the mountains and plains. The next point is erosion. As we know that erosion, although there is a soil, but it gets eroded after some period, after some time passes, then there is no possibility or there is no suitability of the agricultural practices, and that's why how erosion occur over there, also matters in the agricultural suitability. If there is a poor erosion, then there is a possibility of land suitability. If then there is a moderate, then there is a medium type of suitability, and if there is a severe erosion occurred over there, then there is very less suitability for the agriculture or for the crop production. So every year there is a erosion, and according to this there is a practice of agriculture. Next one is drainage. Again, these 3 points are important over here: poor, moderate, and severe. If poor drainage is there, then means water is holding the water, soil is holding the water, and that's why that water or that wetness is useful for the crop. So there is a possibility of doing the practice of agriculture. If moderate drainage is there, then there is medium possibility or medium chance or suitability for the crop production. If there is a severe drainage, means water is completely retained uh, by the soil, then there is no possibility of practice of agriculture, or there is no suitability for the practice of agriculture. Flooding is there: poor, moderate, and severe. So again same point is continued over here. If poor flooding means not too much flood is there, very less flood is there, then there is more possibility. Moderate, then medium, severe, it's vice versa. So That's why in the severe flooding areas are avoided yeah, to do the practice of agriculture. Soil depth, shallow, medium, deep. Shallow part is avoided by the farmers or by the agriculturist. Medium soil is useful for the agricultural production, and deep soil is completely preferred by the farmers for the production, because there is a more quality soil, and there these soils are enriched by various nutrients. It may be primary, secondary, or micronutrients. That's why deep soils are useful for the or suitable for the production. Texture, there is a sand, silt, and clay. uh, Sand, silt, and clay, actually the proportion determines whether that is suitable or not. If sand proportion is more, then that is not suitable. If silt is the more, than that is medium suitable. And but if clay is there, clay is more over there, then it is too much suitable. And mixing of these three also affect on overall production of the agriculture or suitability of the agriculture. Stoniness, less, medium, more, that is again very uh, similar to the above one. If less stoniness is there, means there is less number of stones or rough ruggedness over there. Medium type of stoniness is also harmful, but if more number of stoniness is there, that is not useful for the agriculture or not suitable for the agriculture. Again, surface and subsurface, less, medium, high, less, medium, high. Similar way or same way, these points are also affecting on the suitability classification, and according or considering all these points, we can do the suitable classes or land suitability classification of any field or of any soil. So let us see in the tabular form how we can form or how we can create a land suitability classification. So this table is very important. So for the soil suitability is concerned, because over here we can see here is a criteria, and here is degree of limitations, that is L, and suitability class over here. So which criteria is over here? First criteria is topography. In the topography, slope is there and erosion is there. We have already considered this one, slope and erosion. First 2 points, slope and erosion. That's similar, same way are considered over here, slope and erosion. If S1 slope percentage is there, if slope is 0 to 3, that is number is given over here, or class. So not class but suitability class is over here. S1, suitable 1, suitable 2, and suitable 3. Highly, that is highly suitable. 0 to 3 percentage slope is there, then that is highly suitable. 3 to 5 percentage slope is there, that is moderately suitable. 5 to 8 percentage slope is there, that is marginally suitable for the agricultural. And above 8, then there is not suitable. N1 is there, and more than that, below than 8, not more than, more than 8. Now more than 8 slope is there, that is permanently not suitable. This is currently not suitable, because we can do the leveling of the land, and we can do the use of machineries, and we can do the some gentle slope over there. That time that can be possible to do the suitability in the future, but currently it is not suitable. But the above more than 8 slope is there, then that land is permanently not suitable. Okay. So erosion 0 erosion is there, then that is highly suitable. 1 erosion is there, that is moderately suitable. 2 erosion is there, that is marginally suitable. And 3 erosion is there, that is not currently suitable. And more than 3, then there is permanently not suitable. Wetness is there. Wetness means water holding capacity. Suppose if drainage is too much poor, then it is highly suitable. Poor in the sense water is not water holding capacity is more over here. Poor in the sense water holding capacity is more over here, so that is highly suitable. Moderate well, that is if medium drainage is there, then that is moderately suitable. And somewhat excessive means drainage is more, poor, medium, more, or less, medium, high. So somewhat excessive, then that is marginally suitable. Excessive, that is imperfect. Excessive, that is imperfect currently and permanently not suitable. Flooding is there, slight, moderate, that is highly suitable. Strong floods are there, then that is moderately suitable. Severe flooding is there, then that is marginally suitable. Flooding, when there is flooding, there is no we can't say that what happens regarding the currently scenario, and even in the permanent condition we can't say anything. Soil depth is there. As we know that in the previous lecture we have already seen that as the depth is increased, there is more chances to grow the crops. There is soil depth in centimeter, more than 75 centimeter depth is there, that is highly suitable. 50 to 75 moderately suitable, 25 to 50 marginally suitable, and below 25 that is currently not suitable. But after leveling and after addition of soil and after increase in the depth, then we can use it for the in the future. Even permanently we can't say anything. Texture, about the texture, sand, silt and clay. Sand, silt and clay, that is symbolic words are used over here, and that's according to that highly, moderately and marginally and currently suitable soils are there. Stoniness, surface below more than 3 to 15 and 15 to 35. As we know that if stone should be less in the soil, number of stone should be less, so number is less over here, so it is highly suitable. As the number increase 3 to 5, 15, that is moderately suitable. 15 to 35 marginally suitable, and more than 35 that is currently suitable, not suitable. But in the future we can use some, or we can remove the stone, we can collect the stones and throw out of the field, that then it can be used for the next future. Subsurface, again same way, 15 more than 15 that is highly suitable, 15 to 35 moderately suitable, 35 to 50 marginally suitable, and below 50 then that is currently not suitable, and permanently we can't say anything. So this is all about the suitability classes of the soil. So let us see the next table. This is soil map units, BP1, BP2, RT, VF, CP1, CP2. Slope as topography, same criteria or some same factors we have used over here. Slope, erosion, flooding, drainage, surface texture, subsurface texture, surface core fragment, and soil depth. As we know that then if there is a 3 to 11, then there is 3 to 10. We simply go from here 1 to 2, 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 0 to 1, 1 to 2, and 3 to 10. Means here is increase, and so BP1 soil map unit is useful for the agriculture. Moderate, that is moderate, slight, moderate, slight, and severe, that is flooding according to the unit. And again erosion is here E1, E2, E0, E1, E1, E0, E3. Again that is used. Drainage, well, BP1 unit well, BP2 well, RT well, VF imperfect, moderate to well, and very poor. Again surface subsurface texture is also used over here. Surface core fragment percentage 10 to 15, 10 to 15, 10, 10, 10 to 15, 5 to 10, 15 to 25, and soil depth is also shown over here. So using this criteria, we can prepare soil map units for the our next study. So this is all about the soil suitability classes. So we stop here. Thank you very much.